Avizo in the white trunks, Sheikh in the black and green. Avizo looking to close it. Oh, big head kick by Sheikh.
Stop him in his tracks.
Sheikh came up with that beautiful head. Oh, cracked him.
Oh, man.
Wow.
This could be the biggest upset of the night.
From orthodox to southpaw when he landed that right hook. Avizo's going to again. Oh, very nice. He dropped his mouth guard.
There's an eye poke.
No, the fight continues. There needs to be a break in action.
I don't know what's
Mohsen
happening
talking
with
to
the
the referee
fighter.
saying there was a-
Mohsen is trying to get the referee to stop, but
he was.
it's a good advantage.
Oh, nice
Good
body kick.
shot.
Again, body
Those
kick
kicks
and
have
left
been
hook.
doing a really good job. Oh, straight jab down the middle.
And Avizo now coming back. He's a gamer. He's stepping into the pocket with him.
Keeping his hips apart.
Very the defense almost strips him.
Nice pretty takedown. Well done.
And Avizo at this point, I think, has taken a lot of shots from him.
Oh,
Beautiful takedown.
What
Got
a
the back.
takedown.
I mean,
Yes, big right.
oh, beautiful left hook. Shake a little bit. You can see him dropping his hands immediately.
Very nice body shot. Lands clean.
Shots in the clinch. But that was the first head kick that Sheikh landed on Avizo. I mean, yeah, that last scramble there, Avizo did a good job, and we still don't know what he was talking about. He's, oh yeah,
No, it was an
eye
eye
poke.
poke.
To watch the transition, the reverses. How can you not be a fan of mixed martial arts after seeing, I mean,
Let's
the
look
amount
at
of-
the action replay.
I mean, look at that. Again, round 3 was another story. Beautiful knee here and back and forth. The switches. Quick start by Shein Tan and return fire by Sonam Zomba immediately grappling. And this is the kind of fight she wants. Sonam Zomba is looking to create this. Oh, very nicely done.
Amazing.
Over and over. That's her opponent know that she's not. Oh, ground hammer fist.
Oh, nice.
Unleashing.
Assessing her method of attack. She needs to find a
Oh.
way in.
Oh.
And that spinning back fist attempt. She made a mistake with that spinning back fist because, and you know, a lot of people, she's got double butterflies there. She's going to elevate those hips.
You
Looks
can
like
see some blood there dripping down the side of the face.
What a gamer is Shein Tan.
she gives her back.
But it's Shein Tan is so tough. She's a gamer. She's not going to let go. Other side now. She's cutting her up viciously. I mean, come on. I mean, this fight can be stopped. And the ground and pound, strategic ground pound. And this, I thought in the second round was a mistake, but Shein Tan tried to capitalize on the spinning back fist miss, gets her back, but the control, the reversal was just. Ironically, I'm at a loss of words. Over and over again, the damage just accumulated. The change of position, relentless control, and Herb Dean mercifully stepped in. It's
This
Afghanistan
is going to
versus
be one of the most
Tajikistan.
Oh,
Watch out for that shot. Deep single. Not looking. But watch out, he might have an arm there. He slams him down, but you know what that's going to do? It's going to make it tighter. He looks to shoot.
Yeah, he's doing that now. He's setting it up. But he gets caught in a headlock.
Very
Reversing and stepping every
Oh, look at that. Good combination.
nice.
But great sprawl by Zahur, man. It's just Vatlov to complete that takedown. Vatlov tried to. Was that a knee to the body? That was a knee to the body.
well,
But take
I
a
think
look-
it's safe to say he's from Central Asia.
Let's take a look at that replay there. A lot of shots been thrown out by Vatlov. He's looking for that takedown, kept shooting in from range there. That was just pure power of Zahur Shah to slam his way out of that armbar attempt. But again, over and over, Vatlov started shooting with the singles without the setups. Did a good job at trying to push him up, push Zahur up against the cage.
Oh.
Beautiful knee to the shoulder. But Vatlov
Another takedown attempt. Goes in
this
for the
time-
single leg.
got a deep single, and Zahur doing a great job of reversing this position. Beautifully done. Trying to trap his left arm and a triangle. I think he might have that triangle. He's putting down on the head now.
got him in
He's
a
got
good-
he's got it intact. Wow! Out of nowhere. I mean, take a look at this. Once he held his arm, pulled down on the neck, put down to the head. Perfect technique. Chokes him out with his own arm. Beautiful. There you go. Oh, very nicely done.
Last time we got suckered into a takedown last time.
Nice leg kick there by Gulmamedov. Jumping knee attempt by Dushyant. But Dushyant's got to watch out.
I think Mammadov is a better striker.
Yeah.
I think he likes to strike.
Nice 1-2 by Gulmamedov. We can see him egging him on
Well, excellent
Yeah,
strategy.
he knows he likes to strike.
in front of him so that he can. Oh, very nice knee. Again, but Dushant's control.
Great takedown.
Fantastic.
One and down, run the double.
I mean, man, how strong is Dushant's base? He's got such good balance. Again, looks for that single, runs it up the pipe.
He's relentless with that takedown. That's his game. That's his game right there.
I mean, Dushant is reminding me of Merab.
Nice ground and pound by Dushant.
Very nice ground and pound by Dushant standing in front
Some
of us,
body
punching
shots
him,
looking straight
and he's
at us,
smiling right at us.
He's enjoying it.
He's looking at all of us and
Big-
smiling.
Nice elbow. These guys are going at it.
Big
man.
shots, big shots, ground and pound.
It's a
And this
brawl.
crowd is going insane.
Wow, these guys are
I
striking
can't hear
non-stop.
myself. It's just insanity at this point. Because Dushant is just swinging.
Wow.
And he's
They're
cut
going back and
Gulmamedov.
forth. I think he's cut.
He's
He
cut
looks like he's
Gulmamedov.
gonna
He's
get a
cut
cut on the
sure.
nose.
Now, it's important to see what shape Gulmamedov is in.
We don't want that to happen. Oh, another
Single
takedown
leg
attempt.
and
Oh, takes him
effortlessly
down.
I tried to slam him, but now he's got a double. He's got his hands wrapped underneath, and he's going to slam him to the ground. Boom! But man, he expended a lot of energy with that one. But the amount of energy he expended picking up his opponent just to put a stamp on it.
That was a nice slam. Yeah.
Let's look at the action replay. Oh, this was the flying knee that Dushant tried to land, and goes in for another takedown. Takes Siamush Gulmamedov down.
I mean, over and over, the story was. It was the same
It
story.
was the same story.
The reversal, the takedown, Dushant's control, though, after the halfway point of that fight, he just went on relentlessly trying to land shots. Both of fighters swinging from the top and the bottom, and both managed to cut each other.
I mean, it's very interesting to note how round 3 turns out to be. Will Gulmamedov Siamush Gulmamedov को dominate करते हैं और यहाँ पे उठा लिया और slam किया और slam करने के बाद continuous short strikes बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से domination दिखाते हुए एक और बार उठाया और पटका अपने opponent को.
I mean, take a look at that, the highlights of the fight. It's the same as it was in the first round. The fight Mandeep Prajapati in the black and green and Kapil Kumar in the white trunks. And
When they started their career, I have to be totally biased right now. And they're both hometown guys. They're both-
one second, let's take a look at that, the replay. He lands a head kick. The head kick lands, and then afterwards, he shakes his head, smiles at him, and then, oh yeah, he just walked into that one. He got a scratch. I don't know what that's
Oh, nice jab.
But
Mandeep
Baghi needs
answers
to,
back with a jab of his own.
Prajapati is looking to get close and get a hold of him because
Nice
he's got
leg
a
kick.
huge advantage on the ground.
Nice jab. Couple on the back foot.
And you can see the results are in front of you. The level of fighting is improved so
Wow,
drastically.
this is not what I was expecting to see. The crowd is completely silent. Mandeep on the back foot. He just got taken down by Kapil.
The Prajapati trying to hook a leg and try to drag his opponent. Beautifully done. Pulls him straight to the ground and immediately passes to Mount. But look at the pressure. Instantaneously by Kapil. Good ground and pound by Mandeep.
Kapil going in for
Effortlessly goes into Mount. I mean, sliced into his guard. He's looking to cut him up here. Oh, he's cut him up with that elbow. Big ground and
could be
pound.
over
He's going to
here.
stop this fight.
Could be over.
Hopdeen looking on. Oh, brutal ground and pound. Hopdeen giving him every chance, and that is it.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen.
Mandeep Prajapati enjoying the moment as his fans in attendance all cheering for him. And take a look at this. He landed some good shots. Kapil had the superior striking, landed some good leg kicks and body shots. There was a brief pause in the moment because of an eye poke, and Kapil did a very, very good job of pressuring him up against the cage. But the minute Mandeep got that, he let himself go down to the ground, and that's when the reversals began. That was the start of that beautiful sequence. Pulls him to the mat. immediately postured up, went into mount and started landing those brutal elbows and shots. Referee Herb Dean had no choice but to stop the action. Let's quickly go inside the cage for the final decision with Jared Kyle. Seeing has been so high level, such amazing talent that's been brought out here on display.
Again, a fight between opposite stances, both these guys trading shots.
Got caught coming in with that shot. Big swing and a miss. And look at him trying to egg the crowd.
Naminder Bisht take on Rajesh Pujari.
And look at that, Naminder Bisht just controlled against the fence.
Here, he needs to try to do something.
Oh, big right hand. He's clipped him, he might hurt him. Wow. Looking for century. Again, he sees that coming a mile away. Oh, cracked him with the right hook. Oh, he's got him asleep. Walk away. Landed that right hand, cracked him early. So he hurt him here. Bang, that was the first one. And then bang.
Whoa.
That one was clean. I mean, it reminds me of the shot that Josh Emmett landed. Well, boom. I mean, Shyamanand needs to keep his hands up.
Whoa,
Again.
another big right.
Oh, very nice. Shyamanand has to bend down.
Oh.
Big overhand right.
Nice. That
And Shyamanand, again, stiff, hard. Oh, beautiful left hook. Forced the shot out of Jackie.
Yeah, Jackie got rocked.
Oh!
Yep.
Wow, now Jackie
This
on
is
the
the
ground.
first time I've seen someone take down Jackie Gallo.
Yeah, that's true.
He got rocked.
He stiffened
That
up for a
was a
second.
straight shot to the face.
And Sham isn't letting him recover. He's still landing shots. He's still hurting the body. Round one, I'd score it for Jackie. Again, that leg kick. Jackie standing flat-footed in front of him. But don't count Jackie Galore out ever. Little to no response from Jackie. Jackie again winging that overhand right.
Oh,
1-2 by Shyamanand. This is his chance. I mean, take a look at the replay. The fight started on the feet. It was wild swinging by both these men. And this was after that beautiful left hook that cracked Jackie, which opened up that takedown, tripped him, and took him to the ground. And then the punishment continued. Beautiful trip. And then the slow grind, the top control, the ground and pound.
that's when Jackie tried throwing in her big right hand, got in a clinch. Shyamanand controlling the clinch.
I mean, this
He doesn't fight southpaw, but he's been. Oh man,
big
throws in a big right.
Digambar fighting in southpaw, but comes a beautiful right hand. Again, the timing forces the shot out of Neeraj. Oh, he cracked him coming in. Man, and good recovery by Pangal.
The Gumber's got a shot.
He's got great recovery. And Pangal, he's clearly in incredible shape. Oh, he's got it asleep. He's asleep.
Hitting the bullseye.
And look at that. Look at the attitude. Digambar pointing at him, saying, "I just slept you." Watch that. Just look at that. He's pointing his finger at him, saying, "I told you, I'll put you to sleep."